Guys, so in this video I'm going to be doing a video on my Hoover convertible. So yeah, here it is. It's a great vacuum. Hoover should never have discontinued this model. This is what Hoover should make. Has great suction and it's made very well. So yeah, and it agitates the carpet extremely well. So with that being said, here we go. Oh, and I also have a Kirby G4 over here, which I'll do another video of that. So anyway, here we go. Bam. And yeah, it works very well, and the headlight works too. So yeah, that's my Hoover convertible. Thanks for watching.